Greetings and welcome to the YG Nature Life channel again. Hope you're doing well, I hope you're doing great. Today's another NinjaMan video, part 2 to the Emilycrooks interview 2003. Yes, I give thanks. Let's start this.
Thank you for staying with us on Exposure. As I said, we talked today with Desmond Valentine, and you would know him as NinjaMan. And we were talking about
the seller of this channel in Jamaica, I don't know. 2003, so probably
the
not.
manner in which you grew up NinjaMan before. You said
we are from early with up on the street, man.
Yes.
We know everything about the street. We learn good and we learn evil. That's why we can't able to come tell the youth them now say a full time for come out of the foolishness. Because after being through this more than 23 years, me supposed to can't tell any youth, because me why you know this, you know. When I was coming at the DJ business, you never used to have man to talk about gun and them thing then.
You brought it in, didn't you?
Me bringing gun lyrics on stage, you know. No DJ never mention nothing about gun when me coming at the business. Me coming at the business and come tell them saying I got 4
real bad man.
Mathematics, rap master, the whole of them thing that me come tell you.
Did you really have the guns?
Well, you see right now, I hear when me did I work after when me start DJ, you know. Me used to work after the things that me used to see before and things were happening in front of my eyes, because really I know write lyrics. Every one of my tune them based up off of something that was in the past or something what lately happened. You understand? Either the past or the present. And we talk things that we know where are happening in the future. You understand? So that's why we.
So you didn't have those guns?
Not really have them guns still.
How many guns did you have at the time when you wrote your first gun lyrics?
I come here on an interview. I don't come here to be an informer.
How can you be an informer on yourself?
How many questions?
Yeah.
If you can credit yourself for starting the first gun lyrics in Jamaica, why not reverse it and
credit
with
myself
the
to come tell you say me that 42 gun or 80 yard gun.
How many did you have?
Young one must have me turn over the one that me have.
But you didn't have one.
My wife
have.
How many did you turn over backstage?
That are lyrics, man.
So you didn't give Mr. Adams
Yes.
an M16 and an AK-47 backstage?
You know?
You didn't hand over anything to the senior soldier?
So me I hide some run back and bring one come out front. I don't seek me a play.
You tell me.
I must think I do see me in a program made up and a real thing I go on TV and on radio and everywhere, you know. I front of the whole Jamaica me hand in the illegal firearm, you know.
Did you not confirm from it, because news had it that you did hand over M16
the
and
news
AK-47?
them fi understand and listen to the song that I've done. They say, why don't you surrender our guns? One part of the song say, Adams, here is my gun. Take my AK, my M16 and M1, but leave my Beretta. I have a small matter to settle with the one beanie man.
And that was all lyrics?
That was our lyrics. The next verse said, no, ninja, you must understand. You must fight fist to fist like a man. Cause the people are dying, the children are crying, and blood is all over the land.
Did you know Mr. Adams before Sting?
Ninja can sing.
That man yet.
Whoever knows Ninja can sing.
Stage? How did you know he was in the crowd?
Alright, I'll tell you something. I'm not carbon copy bad man. I'm not fool bad man. I can't give me gun to my normal police when I don't know what I'm doing with it. Because some of my police them broke, you know. And so why don't we really sell back the gun, you know. So we have to give it to the police.
You know of police selling guns?
Nobody try and mix me up now, I think them man. Just hear what me say.
Answer the question.
Just know. Me not answer every question. Because if me not quote, me not answer every question. Because you can't ask me because I'm not answering that. You try to make me look like an informer.
No.
Yes.
If you say, reason with...
Me say you have them where we sell the gun. Because everybody hungry. You have all bad man that sell gun, much less police when I have no food.
And do you know Desmond Valentine? Do you know of police officers selling gun?
You know where you do? You more pretty, you could have more be an investigator. Go and see if you can find out if a police officer sell gun. Join the force as an undercover police.
So
see our police business. I am out there as an outlaw trying to make Jamaica a better place to live. Trying to change the youth them used to tread in my direction. I know business about which police to sell gun. Me just nagging a normal policeman gun. Adams is the one where them have out here as the head of the crime. Who out here on a gun hunt.
The gun that you handed over to Mr. Adams on stage, was it ever loaded before? You handed to him a loaded gun. Was it loaded before?
Ah. So that's moving here.
So it was loaded before. How did it become empty?
Eh?
If it was loaded before, how did it become empty? And
Oh,
when
you know it
reload
did empty.
But you say it's not souvenir, so was it not
one
empty?
shot in a gun load. That's how we want, you know.
One out of how much?
If a million shots supposed to hold in the magazine and you put one shot in it and select it in the head, it's load. But that one shot can fly through 2 man.
Did you ever use that pistol that you handed over to Mr.
The
Adams?
ballistics will tell you. I don't have to tell you that.
Have you spoken with the police since you handed over the gun to them?
Right now, me never hand over the gun to really go back and investigate to the police them what it and if me wouldn't hand it over if me did.
The man on the stage hold the gun in his bare hand. So bro, that don't make no sense. If it was used and his fingerprints on it now and the one before, you would never know. Because
Interesting night, girlfriend. And my whole interest is to give in that gun, to give up, forget Mr. F out of crime, forget about crime. That should, in case anything, they write in the paper that is NinjaMan above the law. I am not above the law yet, but I'm stepping to go out to be above the law, because the only way you can be above the law is don't have an illegal gun, don't have a drawweed, don't have a ball of coke, don't have nothing for your police can tell us to walk in front of me and go down a station. My license, everything's supposed to be straight. This is 2003 and my new year resolution starting from the 26th of December. I tell myself no more my name supposed to call up in crime. I will be a new person. And I did not change the book and look at a different page. I dash where the older that dirty old book where they have and take up a brand new book and now turn on new page. I'm taking up a new book from the front to the back. It's clean.
Why should anybody believe in NinjaMan?
I don't care if you believe me after you know God.
Let
me tell you something.
Let me
hold on.
When
you say that,
in the mid-90s.
hold on. When you say that, I can hit a point to you. I don't care whether you believe me or not. You know.
Yeah.
The last time I give my life to God, wholly and solely, and I work.
Did you really?
And when you not done criticize me, I couldn't take it no more. I have to come out and say, God, if I so much Christian to be, I can't take him. I walk away. But me, I'll tell you something now.
Were you really a Christian, or were you just broke?
What?
I needed some money.
You can't make me broke. You think a DJ make money like me?
How much do you make for a regular stage show?
I tax you want to come down. I don't make nothing. You think you're not?
You're at the button.
Yes, work for nothing. But if you check my pocket, it have been something.
Were you really a Christian?
I wasn't a Christian. I was a man of God.
What's the difference?
Because Christian have a tendency to be hypocrite in the sight of God.
And what are you now?
When you work in the sight of God, you must not go to hobby a man yard. You must not cheat on your fellow brothers in the church. You must not rob the collection. And a church that is dealing with God is supposed to make sure that what he's doing, when he preach and collect the collection, you have mad people on the road, you have sick people who need help, you have school who need help, and the pastor them a thief the collection at Carrot Garden Yard. I want the collection do something beneficiary to the country and to the poorer class people. And until that time, I am not a Christian, I am a man of God. I am far from church but closer to God. You understand? I'm not going to stay near church and far from God, because some of them in our church are really right.
With this latest move, what's now? Are you Desmond Mohammed?
No.
What?
You never hear me come here and say salam alaikum, salam, you know.
So what is it? What exactly was it? You want the crime to stop?
Yes.
Are you hoping that people will now turn over a new leaf? See you in
the
a
leaf
different
thing
light?
will not work. Me no business where they want to see me now. Because you know why? Me a work where God and man shall see that NinjaMan is no more in their foolishness, in no more crime. Before you know me do 3 years now.
I should have been a fatherless. And I say black people make some work. Men, yes, I'm reality no one. Salute them, God again. Let me tell you what reality no needs. Salute them, God again. Sympathy, me shout out to last year. Near where the heathen calling. Pin them and one pin them. Shout out to last year. And them don't know the meaning. Sympathy, tell them.
We start practice how to walk a straight road. That's why I take up my wife and my son and I tell them, say, these are my two friends. I don't want nobody else around me. Because I have a tendency, if I take up two friends, I walk with me. And when I walk with them, if them shoot a man, I am the one guard jail. So I know, so you see right now, forget all this heap of friend thing and this heap of badness thing. And make me live a life now that the youths them will live and respect NinjaMan. Can say, alright, me know NinjaMan at the Dan Gargan and I did want to be the Dan Gargan. You know where I want to be now, I want to be a righteous man.
When you, I'm concerned, NinjaMan, when you lie down, when you are reflecting in your private moment, how do you see yourself? Apart from the man who goes on stage and just rock the place and come off, how do you see you?
Me, individual me.
Yeah.
A messenger for Christ.
And Christ sent you to preach about
a man about responsibility. Let me tell you something. Don't pressure me if you're gone. Because I can tell you something about the Bible.
If you wanted this to be quiet,
hold on.
If you wanted this to be quiet, why did you choose to have it in front of a group of thousands of people?
Listen to me. You're pressuring and talking about gun like if I DJ about gun, I can't do the work of God. You read about Paul?
What about Paul?
Paul was the same man they called Saul, who used to slew Christians. I never kill a Christian yet. I am going to make go to church one time and get in a spirit for me and me have to run out.
What have you done?
Let me tell you
never kill a Christian?
I never kill a fly or a mosquito.
Who does the killing for you?
My girl, what you really call me on your TV if you do? If you send me a prison, me go there already,
like it.
and then find me not guilty after then give me 1 year and 6 months for suffer for things that me don't know about. Then send me out and say you're fine, they're not guilty. You can't send me back just so you know. What me I say right now is we must try come together. Every man should look what NinjaMan do this morning. You understand? That's why me come for tell you no one thing, you know. Me don't want no information from no informer. If you come tell we say, Tom Jones have a gun round this or hide. We want a youth feel justifying himself and say, you see what NinjaMan do as something positive, as something where I help him the people of the country, and a beneficiary to the whole of in a society. And I gotta make that positive move and make that giant step and tell themselves, say, yeah, hear me? Give up this, because this now make a benefit to nobody. Because me I tell you the truth, you know. When I'm a bad man, you know, girlfriend.
Emilycrooks.
Emilycrooks. Emily, whatsoever. Anyway, when me I say Emily.
Are you clean?
Yeah?
Never smoke anything before you came this morning?
I smoke weed. You have a problem with that?
You smoke weed?
Yeah.
Or you get it? Plant it?
I'm a Rasta.
Real informer, you know, man.
Emily.
Rasta NinjaMan.
I have to keep correcting you. Where you plant it?
Like a you name Keisha.
Eh? Your wife give you problems?
Anyway, when me I say, Emily.
Your wife give you problems?
You're too fast, Emily, man. I know that we come here to deal with.
That's why I'm a journalist. I ask the question. That's what I do. Don't you know? I'm sure you expected this before you came here.
You know, say a man supposed to not like you.
Yeah? That's very, very personal. We want to get back to the nitty-gritty.
So we want to get back going in me and Keisha life. You never know say me and Keisha life personal, but you want to dig down in my one. Eh?
We're going to take a break.
You better broke up.
When we'll come back, we'll hear some more about the controversial Desmond Valentine. A lot more on Exposure. Stay with us, please.
That is part 2. What do you think about that? Leave me in the comments again. Coffee part 3 coming tomorrow. Give thanks.
It's cats, I let them that hate me flee before me. I smoke driven away, so drive my way. As wax met before the fire, so the wicked person bring of God. Little righteous, big glad, let exalt the God, and to God sing praise name, I extol him, and red find the ever right name. Jah!